Hello and welcome to my presentation on Project Play. This is a project I have worked on as a game to be published on the Airconsole platform. This platform allows people to upload their games built on either Unity or any other engine, and it hosts it on their website so that people can join the game from anywhere in the world using a simple joining link number as shown before. This allows players to join and play on their controllers as remotes. This game is a party-based game where players will go around a board map similar to Mario Party, and they will land on random game modes and extra bonus items and coins and that sort of stuff. Each player will have their own turn to roll the dice and move their pawn across the board depending on the number of dice. As you can see, since the board has a split or a fork, players can choose which direction they would like to go. Here we have landed on a bonus game mode, which is a card memory game where you have to remember the locations of the specified card and move your character to them and choose them. This is a team-based game, so depending on the total score of the game, players will receive a higher amount of reward. Though this game may look rudimentary, I did not really focus on trying to make it good looking or have high quality assets, as I was more interested in the programming and the handling of the game, as I was working on this whilst I was learning the technology at the same time. So I really wanted to make sure everything worked before trying to focus on the art and the assets used. Everything here is running on Unity, or the game screen is running on Unity with its own scripts and C# scripts, but the phone screen, as you can see, is actually a website that's hosted on the Airconsole servers. It uses HTML, Java, and CSS to work as a website and have the functionality to play a game. It also shows you some variables on the mobile screen, like coins and stars. This allows the players and the game screen to talk to each other to tell you how much of items each person has. As you can see, you have seen the card game memory game. Here you can use the coins that you have collected to go into the shop and buy items that will help you play the game. Here I've actually gone back into the debug menu to show you the last game mode that I've made. The debug menu is just to help me to land on the game modes if I can't land on the game modes in the board game. Here I'm going to show you the racing game. The phone screen you can see is the blue person, and it's a bit hard to play with two phones and two controllers at the same time, so I'll just focus on the blue car. This game has taught me a lot of different technologies, such as obviously the website hosting. I also had to learn about web network structures and architectures, and this was part of my final year project for my university degree, which was to make a project where you were challenged enough to learn new stuff whilst you were doing your final project. And this was a good idea for me to develop a game for the Airconsole website and host. as it was something that is definitely not taught in university. This will open me to have new perspectives of stuff